Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to color a beautiful dress. Hope you have liked and enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe my channel and hit on the like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.